Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 9. I am Nandita Ayun Puspita and my friend Vina Rahmawati would like to present material about ICT in ALT, Indonesian context. Alright, then the first material will be presented by me. Timeline this presentation is definition ICT and ELT, the use of ICT in teaching and learning, the important reason for implementing ICT in education, the impact of ICT in ELT, the development of ICT in ELT, and the last is ICT in ELT Indonesian context. Definition of ICT and ELT. ICT stands for Statistics and Conversation Generation. In Indonesian, ICT is data and conversation generation are what we recognize as ICT. Data technology consists of all matters referring to the procedures used as a device, manipulation, and management of statistics. While ELT is the teaching of English to people whose first language is not always English. ELT is an abbreviation for English language teaching. The use of ICT in teaching and learning. 1. Tutorials. ICT is used for learning in the form of tutorials if it is for use to deliver lessons in a predetermined order. 2. Usage exploration. ICT is used as a medium to locate and get right of entry to information from the network. 3. Application tools. As an application tool, ICT allows students carry out tasks through utilizing computer technology. 4. Communication. ICT is used to set up communication between educators and colleague students. The important reason for implementing ICT in education. 1. Educational equality. The introduction of technology into the educational sphere will narrow the gap for all ranges of education. 2. Future. As the next generation, students want to be taught approximately ICT, mainly technology. 3. Social life. Human beings are social creatures who need other human beings in everyday life. 3. Storage media. Formerly, paper and pens were important within the learning process.
The next material about the impact of ICT in ILT. The policy of UNESCO accounted ICT as the primary middle of worldwide national education nowadays, along with reading, writing, and numeracy skills. It will become the primary needs of education in a modern society of 21st century era. ICT has come to be within a very short time one of the basic constructing blocks of modern society. Many countries now regard understanding ICT and gaining knowledge of the primary skills and concepts of ICT as a part of the core of education along reading, writing, and numeracy. Okay, the next about the development of ICT in ILT. ICT has been integrated into ILT for the last 3 decades. Many researchers explored the impact of ICT in language teaching, the implementation, and the way it embraces diverse platforms, material, and approaches for language teaching and learning inside the modern era. Furthermore, the ICT is applied in ILT through blended learning strategy, the mixture of the traditional classroom setting, namely face-to-face, and a learning, namely online. Research findings conclude that blended learning has a few advantages in ILT, including providing greater opportunities and flexibility for learning outside the class, developing student self-sufficiency, and collaborative learning. Okay, and the last material about ICT in ILT Indonesian context. Indonesian education coverage has placed digital literacy as one of the important skills college students and teachers have to have in globalization era of technology. Indonesia wishes to combine technology into the education curriculum to produce competitive graduates that might have the global capacity digital literacy. They are primarily digital natives and have great access to technology nowadays. Technology will help teachers and communicate and spread information and knowledge equally and significantly. The online course breaks the boundaries of time, distance, and equity of education quality standard that varies in Indonesia. Thus, further research as the spread of ICT competency in Indonesian education framework needs to be carried on.
Okay, that is presentation of our group. More and less, we apologize. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.